LOVIN FLUFF Dog Spa, Johnson City, Tennessee. Call 1-423-341-5985. Everyone ever born has a birthday they get to celebrate every year, a time to thank God for this life, an excuse to be full of good cheer. This even includes our furry loved one, the dog referred to as man's best friend, whose loyalty goes unmatched by many, and who will stand by us until the end. For as much as they get into stuff, they also love to be clean and snappy, which is why a spa day for their birthday will make both you and them very happy. It's easy to book an appointment, but it's best to call in advance, since you'll want to make them feel special and you won't want to leave it to chance. So set a date for their birthday by calling 423-341-5985, because LOVIN FLUFF Dog Spa is sure to make your pup extra glad to be alive. There's nothing more pleasing than a well-groomed canine. Their sense of pride will come out from feeling and looking quite fine. Special care is given with love to the devoted dog you adore, so schedule an appointment today, making them feel better than ever before. LOVIN FLUFF Dog Spa, Johnson City, Tennessee. Call 1-423-341-5985. Happy birthday, Caitlin. I love you, sweetie. I love you. I'm really proud of you. What a marvelous thing you're doing.